Hey there, welcome to part 2 of the numbers series. In this video, I would like to introduce you to a list of different types of numbers. Yeah. To make the learning part easy, I have drawn a few circles, and so it becomes less abstract and it becomes more relatable. Now, if you see right in the middle of this bunch of circles, you see the white circle with the number 1 on it. That represents natural numbers. So, natural numbers is a set of numbers that are used for counting. In fact, there is another name for natural numbers which is known as counting numbers. So basically, we use these numbers to count. In fact, these are the set of numbers that we were first introduced when we were in kindergarten, or at least in the first 3 years of our primary education. So we use these numbers to count the number of ice creams, the number of cars, and so forth. Now, let's look at the features of natural numbers. So, natural numbers, as I've said earlier, is used for counting and ordering. It starts at 1 and it goes on, it is infinite. The meaning of infinite comes from the word infinity. Infinity means there's no limit, there is no bound to it. It is endless. You can say whatever you want, but it means that there is no stop for it. So you cannot say that you cannot pinpoint to say that this is the largest natural number. You can't do that. Now, for an example, if I say the largest natural number is 1 million. Now, if I add 1, it becomes 1,000,001. So 1 million is not the largest number. And can go on doing this of adding 1 to any number that you give and make it another bigger number. So for that reason, numbers are endless. It's called infinite. So it keeps on going, right? They are all positive numbers, which means they grow bigger and bigger and bigger as they progress. That's one way of saying it. Or if you put it on a number line, these are numbers that generally hits or generally moves on the towards the right or towards the east. Zero is not included in the list of natural numbers, and definitely fractions and decimals are not included because we can't count fractions and decimals. It's kind of difficult for us to use decimals and fractions to count, right? So that those are the features of a natural number. Now, if we go back to the circles, the colorful circles, now the one in red that is labeled 2 is slightly bigger than the natural numbers. This is known as whole numbers. Right? It's known as whole numbers. I've got it here. Number 2, whole numbers, all natural numbers plus 0. So whole numbers is a set of numbers taken from the natural numbers, or you can say that natural numbers has been now included in the set of whole numbers, but whole numbers has 0 to it. So now it is 0 plus all the natural numbers. So if I put this into a list of features of of whole numbers, I can say that they are used for counting and ordering. Yes, it does not start at 1, it starts at 0. They are also infinite. They are positive numbers. They are positive numbers plus a 0. 0 is a non-positive number or a non-negative number, which we will look at it in a short while. And in this case, 0 is included. 0 is included, and it does not include fractions and decimals. Okay, so that would be at the end of this video. I will see you in another video.